dear friends, my name is Vaibhav Rajput and I am going to show you how to make a compass with the help of a magnet. For this, we will need one glass bowl, a pen, some paper strips, a magnet, a pin and some water. Now we will learn how to make this compass. For this, first take your water and pour it into this bowl. Now, take your paper strip and mark north and south on the paper strip. Now take it and put it in the bowl like this. Now take your pin and the magnet. Now rub your pin on the magnet like this. And then put it on the paper slip. As you can see, it is moving toward the north. See, it is moving toward the north slowly. Thank you, friends. Thank you, friends, for watching my video. And please like and subscribe my video.